Namaskar.
Namaskar. So yeah, I want to thank you and your whole team for setting up this session. So these 6 days, where even if I am working from home, I made sure that between 2:30 to 3:30 I have no meetings. I have set no meetings, official meetings.
Thank you for that.
That was the enthusiasm we had, and Ananya also was very much engaged, and she always used to in the morning, Papa 2:30 kab bajenge. So that was she into. So one thing I want to say is that Ramayana is not only about the characters; it's the value each character gives. That is what we have to learn. So even if our character, it's okay, but the value that character gives us, that is most important thing we have to learn.
I was not able to sit through all the classes, but my wife was sitting. Today I sat through the half of the class, and I was quite amazed at the knowledge which he has gained in last 7 days, because some of the character name and some of the tidbits of the Ramayana was kind of like it was even I was also not aware. So good work, and it definitely helps kids at this age to be more inquisitive about the Ramayana. And I do hope that all the kids who has participated will take this 7 days course, and they will further study and take this whatever the teaching which you have given for the in their life. And I definitely, it is a good initiative. I'll definitely will make sure that more people will get aware of this thing. And yes, definitely, if anything which we can do as a parent, as somebody for the good cause, yes, we will definitely will be willing to put out whatever we can. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. And Nakul was quite active. I think there's no.
First of all, thanks for this wonderful session. It's been Ramayana is almost everyone's delight. I mean, young, old, atheist, theists, everyone just loves Ramayana stories. They're very relatable.
My name is Ranga. I'm Pranush's dad. My name is Ranga. I really appreciate this session. It's really good. I think Pranush enjoyed. This is his first encounter with Ramayana, and I think he likes it. I think this is just a start. I believe he will really latch onto this and take it forward.
Hari Om Shantanu ji, first of all, a big thank you for helping us rediscover the lovely lessons of Ramayana, not only for children but even for adults. I've learned a lot, and I am only looking to delve more deeper into it as and when I keep refreshing my knowledge of the Ramayana.
Father.
Jai Shri Ram, Shantanu ji.
Jai Shri Ram.
Yeah.
What's your name?
I really like this, especially this whole thing, the first 6-day workshop, right? I really like this format because it has everything for kids as well as for elders.
The way the entire Ramayana was presented, we come from a family wherein we've learned a little bit about the Ramayana, and we've been hearing these names through bhajans and stories from early childhood days, and we've tried to do the same with Neel as well. However, when the entire process is made very interactive and children can get involved through crosswords and puzzles and stuff, it becomes very interesting for them, because this generation is such that they have a very limited attention span. If you can grab that attention, then you've kind of held on to explaining them the values behind it.
So yeah, Arjun was very excited. So though he knew the stories and he reads a lot. So, but this was great. Whatever all the parents have said, I totally, it resonates. It's the same for us. So the interactivity and, these sessions have really helped us as well. So we would always sit for the sessions, and it was great. We didn't know a lot of things as well, and it was lovely to see him participate so well, and he was always excited. Thank you so much.